Pedestrians. Of all roadway users, pedestrians are the most vulnerable. In the United States, collisions injured an average of one pedestrian every 8 minutes and kill one pedestrian every 108 minutes. What are some of the factors that put pedestrians at risk? Children and seniors are at the greatest risk. Children are less visible to drivers and often lack judgment to know when it is safe to cross the streets. Seniors may not hear or see well, and some may walk more slowly. Some pedestrians are careless and take chances. Some pedestrians jaywalk or disregard traffic rules and signals. Nearly half of all fatalities involve the use of alcohol by the driver or the pedestrian. Correct procedure for interacting with pedestrians in different situations. A pedestrian may cross a road anywhere. Use the IPED process and always be ready to yield to pedestrians. Be particularly alert in the following situations. Crosswalks. Pedestrians have the right of way when crossing within a crosswalk. Some crosswalks are controlled by signals. However, signals may not give pedestrians enough time to clear the crosswalk. Drivers must yield until the crosswalk is clear, even if your light is green. At intersections, many pedestrians are struck just as they step into the street because of inattention to their surroundings. Collisions with pedestrians often occur when vehicles are turning left because drivers are concentrating on the traffic lights and their turning maneuvers and fail to see the pedestrian. Search carefully for pedestrians before committing to a left turn. And you can see right there the sign says yield to pedestrians. When drivers turn right on red, pedestrians have less opportunity to cross safely. Before turning right on red, always yield to pedestrians who are in or approaching the roadway. When approaching a sidewalk from an alley or a driveway, expect pedestrians to appear from either direction. When your line of sight is restricted, make 2 stops. Business districts typically have heavy traffic and many pedestrians. Both drivers and pedestrians are subjected to many distractions. Residential areas. When driving in residential areas, reduce speed and use a lane position with the best visibility. Crosswalks on residential streets are not typically marked. Although joggers are safer on sidewalks and jogging paths, expect to see them on streets and in traffic lanes. Be ready to slow, steer around, and stop for a jogger. Watch for kids playing on the street. Reduce visibility. Most collisions with pedestrians occur at night. When a roadway is poorly lit, it can be a challenge to see a pedestrian, especially one wearing dark clothes. Watch for pedestrians walking along or across the roadway. Rain, snow, and sleet often cause pedestrians to be more concerned about the weather than about traffic. Describe actions that pedestrians can take to ensure their own safety. Be responsible for your safety as a pedestrian. Make yourself visible. Walk on sidewalks or walk so you are facing traffic. Use crosswalks and obey traffic signals. Watch for oncoming traffic every time you cross the street. Do not walk into traffic lanes between parked vehicles. If you have to walk on roads because there are no sidewalks, be sure to walk facing the traffic. Why are young kids and seniors especially vulnerable as pedestrians? List some situations in which you should be particularly careful to search for pedestrians.